Hi Chloe, hopefully this video helps you with the Z-score practice that you're trying to do. So let's just have a quick peek here at an example. I won't use the exact same example. Well, I'll use some of it, I guess, but I won't do all of it here. So the question said, what is the probability that a movie is between 1.8 and 2 hours? So I'm just going to choose, I don't know where those fall, but let's say there's 1.8 here and 2 is over here. So hopefully it looks like you've calculated the Z-scores here, so you'll get Z values for here and Z values for here. So the probability that X is between, probability that X is between those values, so 1.8 is less than X, which is less than 2, is really just equal to whatever the probability of those Z-scores is, but it's also equal to, let me just change my pen color here. We can look up, using the Z-score table, we can look up the probability that X is less than 2. Again, change it to a Z-score like you suggested, and then we can use the table to find this area here. Now the table will always give you the area to the left, all the way to the left. So if we look up whatever the corresponding Z value is, this value here in the table, that will give us the area to the left, but that's too much. What we want to do is we want to get rid of the part that we don't want. So the nice thing about this is that the probability that Z is less than 1.8 is this right here. So again, sorry I said Z, that's actually X. That's this section right here. So again, look this up in the table. Look up this Z's value in the table. And if we take the blue section here, whatever the probability is here, and we subtract that, we subtract from that this value. So let's call this Z2, and we'll call this Z1. So the probability that Z is between those two values, whatever those happen to be, is just equal to the probability that Z is less than whatever the value is. I guess that Z2 is less than whatever that value is, minus the probability that Z1 is less than whatever the value is. So again, just take those two probabilities and subtract them. Take the bigger one, which is, the blue in here, which is now yellow, and then subtract the red from it, and that should give you the probability between those two values. Hope that helps, and if not, just let me know and I'm happy to go over it with you again.